Today is day 2 for my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Let's see what we have for day number 2. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So here's the door for day 2. It's right next to day 1. It is orange yuzu grapefruit spread, so that sounds like a marmalade to me. This is what it looks like. It's a nice amber color. There's a bit of moisture on top. Now I'm going to taste it. Guys, that is so good. This is so good. It's like crazy good. Once again, it's super sweet and it tastes like a delicious orange marmalade with hints of grapefruit and yuzu. It's really nice. So I'm going to make a chicken waffle, which is really easy. I have some leftover rotisserie chicken. It's just some shredded cooked chicken and 1 egg, and I'll be using my mini food processor, and this is really simple and easy to make. I'm just going to take my shredded chicken. I probably have like a ½ cup of shredded chicken, and I'm just going to put it in the food processor. And now I'm going to add the egg, and that's it. I am going to mix this all together. So here's the batter. It looks good. I will be using my Dash Mini Waffle Maker. I just plugged it in. The blue light is on. Once the blue light goes off, then I can put my batter in my waffle maker. Okay, the blue light went off. Let's open this up and let's pour in the batter. So there's a lot of batter here. This might actually overflow. We'll see what happens. Fingers crossed it doesn't. Okay, we're good so far. It's been 4 minutes. Let's open this and see what's going on inside. Look at that beautiful waffle. Let's unplug the waffle maker. Let's grab a plate. Doesn't that look good? This is really nice for a brunch or a lunch. And now I'm gonna spread my fruit spread on top of it, because I really enjoy like orange chicken. And to me, that is what this is a version of. So it's a chicken waffle with some orange yuzu grapefruit spread on top. It looks really good. Let's taste it. It's very good. Of course, if you want, you can add some salt and pepper to the batter. I did not do that because my rotisserie chicken had a bit of flavoring already, but if you like any seasonings or spices, you could always add those. But I'm really enjoying this with the marmalade with the chicken. This is really good, and the fruit spread is very enjoyable. So this was day 2 of my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar for 2022. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more days of this Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.